Good day. Welcome to today's session of 7 days boot camp. Today we are going to explore another dimension. In today's event, we're going to talk on the e-commerce and PSSP mastering, e-commerce and payment solution service provider mastering. That is how you can master online selling and payment solution. Uh, Before I proceed, I will say shout out to the host of this event, ABCM Academy, and their entire team. Starting from the manager of ABCM Business Technology Limited, Mr. Idris Mutiu, the content manager, Mr. Adeyemi Kainde, the DG1, DG2 of ABCM Academy, Ms. Moinat Rahim, and Mrs. Mary Odelade Adepoju. Down to our tech department, Mr. Hafiz Adediran, Ms. Miyat Olagoke, and other crew that I forgot to mention. Well done and kudos. They all make this event a successful one. We have covered day one, day two, day three, and today is day four. And it's going to be another bomber pack. I'm going to be your host today, and all other crew are live here with me too. For those of you that are just joining us today, if you are just joining us for the first time today, press 1. If you have attended like 1 or 2, maybe day 1, day 2, day 3, press 0. If you are joining us for the first time today, press 1. If you have attended day 1, day 2, day 3, day 1, day 2, day 3 is available. The recording is available on our Facebook and our YouTube. Our YouTube channel is at ABCM Academy 1. And Facebook is facebook.com/ABC Academy 1. So you can get the recording of day 1, day 2, day 3 there. Now, today we are going to explore another dimension, which is e-commerce, with selling online and payment solution service provider. This is another entirely. I'm telling you, this in this time we are now, this PSSP that I'm saying is only few people. 1% of people that know what PSSP simply means. If you know what PSSP means, press 2 on the chat. Can I see 2 on the chat if you know what PSSP means? Can you see? I can see only 3 people that press 2 on the chat. That means this is a new dimension. So I will advise you to stay tuned from beginning to the end of this event today. It's not going to be long. It's going to be brief because this is day 4 of the boot camp. And we are still going to prepare for the day 5 and day 6, day 7, and the final graduation on the last day of the boot camp. You're going to get a test, to do short test, to do Q&A test to do, then you get a certificate of participation in this bootcamp. Now, let's get started. I'm sharing my screen now so that we can get started immediately. Now, e-commerce and PSSP mastering. Master online selling and payment solution. Now, today we are going to talk on how to master the art of selling online and building profitable e-commerce business from scratch. I'm going to explore that. And even we still have another book. When you go to abcacademy.com, under the course here, there is a particular course that deal with e-commerce mastery, ABCM e-commerce mastery. I'm telling you, this course is comprehensive. It talk a lot on e-commerce, breaking it down. And you can have access to it by just a token, a little token, or join the LI team and they have discounts purchase. Now, as you already know, my name is Akim Adediran. I'm a freelancer, web developer, technologist, data entrepreneur, business technology and data entrepreneur. And I'm in Fiverr as a top seller since 2014. 2014. I started this online business journey in 2004, and after 10 years, I focus more on freelancing. So I really know what I'm saying when it comes to all this digital business and online business. Now, I'm the founder of ABCN Business Technology Limited with over 10 other subsidiaries company under it. So this is not new. To contact me, akimsecret@gmail.com or WhatsApp plus 234-81328793 for now. Now, let's move directly to today's topic. Now, what is e-commerce? This is the concept we already know. Let me tell you, it's real. People, this in the world we are today now, the digital world today, especially those that want to know much about internet, online business, and others, you will know what e-commerce simply means. And in simple terms, e-commerce is just an activity that involves the buying and selling of goods and services online using digital platform. When you are buying and selling of goods and services using internet, we are performing what is called e-commerce. And this e-commerce, why it is matter? Why do many people focus on this e-commerce? Why do we say this e-commerce is one of the business model you can start and you make unlimited income on a 6-figure, 7-figure e-commerce will give this to you. Number one, it is global reach. When you start e-commerce, because of the aspect of internet, it's more than just selling to local people. With the internet, you can sell to anybody anywhere in the world. I sell as far back as to people in US, UK, Canada, and many other, France, many other countries worldwide. So it's global reach business. Then number two is 24/7 business operation. E-commerce is not like I open my shop today from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. or from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. and I close. No, in the night, anybody can just wake up in the night, say, I need this service, I need these products. You just come directly and my store will pop up and they will purchase that product. In the midnight, I still keep on making money. So the business is operated 24/7 because of the use of internet. It doesn't require any time zone, doesn't require any region zone. It operates 24/7 and it is global reach. Low startup cost. Yes, this is one of the business you can start with as low as you can even just get hosting and domain, build your store, then you good to go. If you don't know how to build your store, check day 3 event. I'll show you how to use AI and WordPress to build your store. Day 3, you can rewatch it or you don't know, or just join the LI team so we can guide you there for free. Now, scalable and automatable. This you can predict what you want to make in freelancing and it is automated. No need of human interference. You can just set it for you or you set it for yourself and every money started rolling it. That's how e-commerce works. Now, types of e-commerce. I would like us to please pay attention here to types of e-commerce because in the world today now, e-commerce has moved beyond the 2 types that we already know. We have 3 different types of e-commerce in the new world we are today now. Things are becoming changing, things are changing every single day. So we need to update. I'm telling those of you that you have different types, different courses on e-commerce, and you say we have 2 types of e-commerce. Focus there so that you can update your content. We have 3 types of e-commerce. The first type of e-commerce we already know is product-based, where you sell digital products. The second is service-based, where you sell digital services. And the third type of e-commerce is PSSP e-commerce, which is payment solution service provider. Hello, I will explain this from beginning to the end, but I want us to be attentively. I want us to take attention, and I will not waste most of our time in this today training. I'm just going to go straight to the point, and we end the training within a short period of time. Now, when we're talking about products, number one product, e-commerce, all of us know. Many people know when you talk about e-commerce, even some people don't know that e-commerce is beyond dropshipping. When you talk of e-commerce, they believe we are talking of dropshipping. But dropshipping is part of e-commerce. There is what we call private label in e-commerce. This private label is another area where we make much money in e-commerce. Where you get other people products with PLR, right? Then you can put your branding name, then you sell it. They will just manufacture the product, they will send it to you, you put your brand name, and you sell it. That's what we call private label. And we have print on demand. We have print on demand, which is one of the widest e-commerce business model many people know, where you just like the people, you just create a store. Let me explain in simple terms. Just create a store as a printer, just like normal drop shipping, but different from drop shipping. You just create a store and you install print on demand software there. Immediately someone wants to buy a t-shirt, they just pick their logo, put their logo there. They click on the logo, they generate the logo or upload their logo, and the logo is going to upload on the t-shirt. And from your e-commerce, they pay for the printing, and the details is sent to printing company straight. And printing company will print it and ship it to your client. No need of your interference. 100% set up online. We call it POD, print on demand. Then you can do retails and wholesales, and you can do marketplace selling. Like here we are now. Some people are selling through Amazon, some people are selling Jumia, some people are selling through Konka. Now let's move to the service base. Many of us know about the products, but the area where most people don't focus on is the service base and the PSSP base. Freelancing service. You know that freelancing service is an e-commerce service. So there is a way you can offer freelance e-commerce as a freelancing service. If you don't know what I mean, go back to day one of this event and you watch more on how to integrate this e-commerce to freelancing. Then digital products, selling ebooks, selling courses. Like me now, most of the case now, I can just be down one day, think of new concept, make a research, pack it together, record a course, create a website, and start selling it. E-course, course is online course. The same way you you can create an ebook and you start selling. Even we have ebook on this full comprehensive course on this e-commerce. I have ebook there on it. I have a course on it. And even most of the training I train on this 7 days bootcamp, I have ebook, full comprehensive ebook and comprehensive video training. You can find it at Udemy and at abcfacademy.com. You can find it cheaper at abcacademy.com. Then apart from that, consultation and coaching. You can do consulting and coaching as service basic, or whereby you just pay. I will show you some of the area I want us to discuss on. I will show you, before I move on, I'm going to share another screen now, and I will show you how to integrate consultation and coaching with product based, service based integrated with product based. Let me show you that. There is a particular e-commerce website that one of my I work together with one of my protege, and we make that e-commerce, and the site has been working for so long. Now let me share the screen and show you this site, this website. We integrate both product and service-based e-commerce on one single website. Isn't that amazing? I think this is it. Yes, this mommy AY baby store. So it's a concept by someone. Can you see they are selling baby things? When you go to product area here, you see they are selling on and shop area here, you see they are selling baby things. And when you can you see at the home page here, apart from baby things that they are selling, let me stop. They are selling baby things. Can you see nursing pillow 2-in-1, nursing pillow? All these are drop shipping products. And apart from that, see under service here. So they are selling consultation service too under the service section. Counseling services. So parents and skill development, infant and childhood development, managing parenthood stress, relationship business, nutrition and guide. This is a counseling service they are selling on this site. Apart from selling products, they are still selling counseling services. That's how you can integrate products and service to one single e-commerce store. Isn't that amazing? Isn't that great? Yes, what I'm trying to tell you is that even you can have just one single store, then you are selling a product, and after selling product, you are still selling a service that's related to that product. And you make your money in two ways. Make money as a dropshipper selling product, and make money selling consultation service. Can you see in this case now, basic consultation service here is basic support, monthly group counseling session, one session per month, access to private online community forum for peer-to-peer, monthly newsletter and parenting service, and they can order this service. Can you see, they can sell service as high as $100 services, and people will order. Even this, all these service, you can do a pre-recorded video and start selling it as a course instead of going live. And you have a group, maybe WhatsApp, Facebook, or any chat you have as group discussion. And this doesn't hinder you from selling product. Can you see product they are selling on it? I'm telling you, I tell you how much this website has made. You will blow, it will blow your mind. This website has made thousands of dollars. I mean it, I repeat it, thousands of dollars, because the product here, they are dropshipping product. You just dropship from a dropshipping company. I think this product, most of these products are dropshipped from AliExpress. Yes, from AliExpress dropshipping. And you don't need inventory. That's one thing I love about e-commerce, especially when it comes to dropshipping aspect. You don't need to create your product yourself and just use other people's products. And mind you, all what you need to focus on is how you're going to promote this product. Maybe the order, the where you dropship the product will receive the notification of the order and your payment and the address you put, and they will ship the product to the person. What you just need to do is to focus on promotion, and the other thing will be done by the owner of the product. Yes, let's move back to our slide. Now, what I'm trying to say is that you can sell a product in this website I show you. You can sell a dropshipping product, and as far as you can sell consulting and coaching service on one single e-commerce website. It is possible. Now, apart from that, the next thing I'm going to show you is IPTV and digital access service. IPTV and digital access service is another service-based e-commerce, and many people are making millions from this area. What is IPTV digital service? Let me just explain in a layman term, because I may not be able to have time to explain it more on this term. IPTV is a digital streaming services, whereby this you get an IPTV provider panel. After getting this panel, from this panel, you can now create server ports. Just like how you people are subscribing for Netflix, all these digital TV. The same way, they will pack all these IPTV like 30,000 channel, 50,000 channel, 100,000 channel, single panel for you. And you can now sell the subscription to people that come to your website. Let me show you one of our IPTV websites to see what I really mean. This is one of our IPTV websites. Can you see? This is one of our IPTV, fast and reliable IPTV service, abcmdigitaltv.com. So in this, can you see? I can sell this, we sell this service like subscription service, $15 per month. Can you see? And they will have access to 40,000 plus channels. And one thing I love about this IPTV service that I personally, I think immediately I get one thing I love myself about is being creative. You're selling IPTV subscription in this same website. You're not selling only IPTV subscription. Those apps that you're going to download and use to do IPTV, like IBO Player and IBO Soul, I'm still selling the subscription here. Then, apart from that, if you are using normal TV and you want to convert your normal TV to digital TV, I'm still selling conversion products, whereby you can convert your normal TV to smart TV. Then you get IPTV subscription to use it. I'm still selling. Can you see 3-in-1 on one single website? I'm selling 3 products. E-commerce is one of the ways. What you need is just being creative. Just be creative. You can search for IPTV and see what I mean about IPTV. You will see a lot of content on IPTV. 40,000 channels at $15 per month, including all those Netflix channels, all those football showing channels, movie channels, any channels. Even we in Africa here, Africa Magic, you see it here, there. And one single subscription of $15 per month, you have access to this panel, or $59 for 1 year. You have access to all this channel for 1 good year. Another thing is that even you can use it on multiple devices, like 2 devices, 3 devices. So you get one single subscription and use this in multiple devices. Can you see, if you are using it in 3 devices, like you're going to be using it for your smart TV, you are going to use your mobile phone, and you're going to be using it on your laptop too. You can get $40 per month or $175 for just 12 months. And this might not be a new thing to you, but some people here, it's a new thing to you. This service is really selling. This is what the Americans and the Europeans are. They are focused on. Even the French people, most of them use IPTV now. They don't use normal TV subscription that we do, DSTV, we Go TV and other TV subscription, my TV and other TV subscription we use. They use IPTV because they have smart TV. Most TV you see, they just install the app and you start watching the channel. Then even if you are using normal TV, you can come to this site and get a box to convert your normal TV to smart TV. And that box, you can start paying IPTV subscription to the box. 1 year subscription, and you have access to unlimited, uninterrupted, over 40,000 channels worldwide. Football channel, news channel, movie channel, worldwide. I don't, if you are getting me, if you are still here with me and you are getting this, press 2 on the chart. Press 2 on the chart if you get it up to this extent. Okay. I can see many 2 on the chart. Nice one, nice one. Press 2 on the comment section if you are getting this. If you're getting this, press 2 on the comment section. Okay, okay. I can see many people are okay, okay. Can you see? Now, this is one of the services you can. I'm telling our services, this is service-based e-commerce, and IPTV is one of the area you can venture. Where money is now, let me just tell you where money is now. IPTV is part of where money is. You can make more research, or you buy more courses on that, or join our LI team, and we're going to guide you more on that. I will tell you how to join LI team in the next slide. Now, next thing, the final thing is payment solution service e-commerce, where you provide payment solution to the. Let me now tell you, 90% of all these e-commerce companies, both that are doing drop shipping, both that are doing that service based like IPTV, even freelancers or digital products, their problem and their challenges is payment gateway. And this is another cost entirely. This is another service entirely you can provide as an e-commerce specialist. All this e-commerce store, either product or service, all what you need is to get the fundamental of how to set up a payment gateway. You get the clients and you give them the payment gateway you set up for them, and you get commission on every sale. Let me repeat myself. You set up payment gateway, then you source of all these companies that have issue with payment gateways. You give them the payment gateway that you set up for them to use for their either product-based or service-based e-commerce. Then you get commission by the time they make every sale. This is great. I'm telling you, this is another area entirely where big boys are cashing out in e-commerce. Big boys game. Apart from the IPTV dropshipping that you already know, another big boy game on e-commerce is payment solution service provider. That's building gateway for e-commerce business. You just set up gateway, Paystack, Flutterwave, Revolut, Stripe, PayPal. I will show you how to do that. If I can't show you here, please join the Elite team. From Elite team, I'll have a special training to do that. I will have a special, and I have a comprehensive course. If you don't want to join Elite team, you can buy a comprehensive course on this PSSP service provider, and we see pros and cons of how to set up each payment gateway and what do you need to set up them, and how can you provide this payment gateway solution service to the e-commerce company. Then apart from that, you can serve high risk and low risk online business. Yes, this is another thing. You can create a low risk payment solution gateway and use it to serve high risk business. There is a way to do. I'm telling you, big boys are really making high money on this payment solution service provider. Yes, what I mean is that you have a store that you are selling a low risk product. For example of low risk product that I'm saying, maybe you are selling like IPTV now is categorized as high risk product. Like someone that's selling adult products is an high risk product, and so many other high risk products now. Now you must just create an e-commerce store that is selling baby things, or a payment solution service for selling baby things, but you integrate it to someone that is selling IPTV service, or someone that is selling cannabis, someone that is selling all those high risk products. So that's another area. I will not talk more on this. I will advise you to join the airline club so as can it's a secret that big boss are using to cash out these days now. PSSP e-commerce and it's new, 100% new. Even you can see many people here. It's only people that know what PSSP e-commerce means. I mean, 2 to 3 people from hundreds of people on this live training. Now, apart from that, I told you to have access to all these interactive training or you have any question on any of this, join the LI team and you meet me there where I'll give you interactive session. And apart from that, you have access to discount on all courses that is inside abcmacademy.com. Then apart from that, you can become an instructor and teach for free in abcmacademy.com. Only elites will be an instructor because we're going to get different guide, different thing that is not available to general public. How you're going to model your course for it to be sellable in ABC Academy. So that's why only elite team are the instructor. Now to become an instructor, just become an elite member. Then you have access to over 30 million free downloadable resources. 30 million free downloadable, including ebook, software, video, mobile apps, prompts, different digital products. Over 30 million, you have access to the free download as elite member. Then you earn commission on referrals. You earn commission when you refer any other people to join ABC Academy or to buy course on ABC Academy or to buy Elite subscription. Exclusive access to Learn and Earn forum. There is a forum where you can Learn and Earn forum. We have the one for general people and we have the one for the Elite. You have access to the Elite one. Free weekly bootcamp work million. Like this training, I told you now, all this training now, I'll be rolling. And when people ask questions, me, I use it to create course. Then I come to the Elite, then I share the answer to them. VIP access to exclusive masterclass, then private community networking. You have, apart from me, when you join the Elite, you see so many big people in this Elite. They have wide experience, even more experience than me in all these things that I've been telling you. So you have access to the networking and you have the community that comprise all these people. Early access to new courses and updates. You have a certification for being an Elite. Then finally, priority support and assistance and special instructor program. And to become an Elite, all what you need to do to join the Elite WhatsApp, I mean general WhatsApp, you can go to www.abcacademy.com/Elite team WhatsApp. Then to become an Elite member, www.abcacademy.com/Elite team. And currently, as at the time of this event, as at the time of this live event, as at the time of this bootcamp training, Elite subscription is just $2 per month. That's 3,000 naira. I'm telling you, money that even you can't imagine. Even where you want to make, the team said they should make it free, but because many people will misuse the opportunity if it is free, that's why they charge it as $2 per month, just 3,000 naira per month, and you are eligible and you have access to all these I've mentioned. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 I've mentioned. You have access to everything as an airline. Now let's move straight back to where we are. Now, I want to talk on 9 pillars. I mean, the 9 essential pillars of e-commerce. 9 pillars for a successful e-commerce. When you want to have a successful e-commerce, I call this 9 pillars of e-commerce. Those are the 9 things that you need to make sure it's available on your e-commerce. And mind you, 1, 2, 3, the first 4 is compulsory. I will still talk more on this. The number 1 pillar of e-commerce is your web platform or website, your e-commerce store. First thing is you need is products. Or the website, sorry. The website. Your website must be developed. I show you, I think check this event, I show you how to develop a website using AI and WordPress. Now, your website, I mean your digital store is the first thing you need to get ready. Get an hosting and domain, then you start building your website. And your website must be built based on this second pillar, which is the product or service and what you want to sell. I mean, product or service you are selling. So that's the second pillar. Website is the first pillar to a successful digital e-commerce entrepreneur. The second pillar is a product. I told you a product like dropshipping product, ebook, or this, that, or a services like IPTV services or selling online coaching. So what you are selling will be the second pillar of a successful e-commerce. Pillar number 3 of e-commerce is payment gateway. Payment gateway is number 3, and this payment gateway, how you get paid. You can try different payment gateway, Paystack, Flutterwave, Stripe, Revolut, all those. But I will tell you, the payment gateway must be set up and you enable international. Any payment that is local that doesn't have access, give you access to international customers, don't go for it. So that's why payment gateway is one of the greatest area where you need to focus on, which is the third pillar of a successful. And I give you an example like Paystack, you have a Stripe, you have PayPal, you have Flutterwave, you have a Revolut that is currently now. Revolut is the one going faster now, and so many other payment gateway, even here in our localities that give you access to international payments like Bob Pay. We have Bob Pay here, we have Cora Pay, and so many other payment gateway. Then number 4 is traffic source. I told you how customers find you. These are the first 4 pillars of a successful e-commerce. If you don't have all these 4 things, you don't have e-commerce system. The website or the platform, product or services, gateway, payment gateway, and traffic source. I mean your digital store, what you are selling, how you get paid, and how customers find you. Those are the first 4 pillars of a successful e-commerce. If you get me right, press 2 on the charts. Press 2 on the comment section if you get me right. If you don't get me right, if you want me to repeat this, press 1. If you want me to repeat this, press 1. If you get it, press 2. Okay, I can see 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 1. Okay, I see 1, 1 there. What I mean is that the first 4 things you need to get ready for you to have a successful e-commerce is number 1, your digital store, which is website or platform. Number 2 is what you are selling, which is your product or service. Number 3, how you get paid, which is your payment gateway. And finally, how customers find you, which is the traffic source. Those are the first 4 things you need to get. And number 5 now starting from this number 5, you are free. Now, you can make it as an alternative, depending on how you want to scale your business. But I need to mention the online customer service and how you building trust and loyalty you got on it. So when you build trust, it being a recurring customer. When customers get the product or service faster and they get response from you, even if you don't deliver faster, if you have issue with delivery or any issue with the setup, you contact them. So when you have a good support where they can contact, or when you have challenges where they can contact, you build trust and loyalty to your e-commerce business, which is the 5 pillars of a successful e-commerce. Number 6 pillar is fulfillment and delivery. I said it, ensure smooth service or product delivery. If you are offering digital services, make sure you send the login or anything. If you're offering coaching, I told you, if you cannot do live coaching, you can do a recording coaching. You record it and make sure the recording is available for them. Or if you are offering digital products, make sure you work with vendors that deliver faster or that will deliver that, because not all vendors will deliver. That's why you need to understand what you are doing when you are doing drop shipping. Drop shipping is one of the greatest business that can give you 6 figures, and they are the business that can drain motor, because some people said to have a good dropshipping business, you must be ready to do a promotion, mega promotion. What of you, if you now put a lot of money in promotion and the money doesn't come back? That's why I said you need to make sure you work with the dropshipper that will ensure smooth service or product delivery to your client. Then the number 7 pillar is analytics and data. You track performance and sales. How much do I spend on adverts? How much do I make? How much is my profit? How many products do I sell? So that's the number 7 pillar to a successful e-commerce. Number 8 pillar is security and trust. Protect customer and your brand. Make sure you protect customer and your brand. Security. Customer information should be customer information when they are paying with the payment gateway. Use the secure payment gateway where the card information will not be exposed to third party. And finally is automation and AI. This time we are in the era of artificial intelligence. So you must use AI to scale your business, your e-commerce business. There are so many AI tools. When you are working with any e-commerce model, just patch. I show you, I think, is it not day 2? I show you how to use AI to do research, AI chat to do research. You can just use ChatGPT or DeepSeek to, okay, I want to start this kind of business. What are the AI or automation tools I can use to make it more faster? And it will give it to you. So these are the 7 pillars to a successful e-commerce business. 7 pillars to a successful e-commerce. Number 1, your digital store, your digital storefront, what you are selling, how you get paid, how customer find you, build trust and loyalty, ensure smooth service and product delivery, track performance and sales, protect your customer and your brand, and finally, use scaling effortlessly using AI and automation tools. Now, apart from that, we're going to talk on real business model you can start. Let's talk on real business model you can start today on e-commerce. If you get this, what we've said so far, press yes on the chat. If you get it, press yes on the chat. Let me know if you get it. Press yes on the chat. Okay. I can see many yeses. Now let's talk on real business model you can start now. Number 1 is create a dropshipping store. I've said it. Dropshipping will still be evergreen. We still be working no matter how it is. As manufacturers are creating products in China, in US, in UK, or in some African country, dropshipping will keep on striving. So it's an evergreen e-commerce model you can start now. The second thing is selling IPTV subscription with digital access. Yes, I said it. This is where big boys are playing their game now. Big boys are selling IPTV subscription to people in US, UK, Europe, and all over the world. IPTV subscription. So you can start that now too. And I told you to just start that. To start the dropshipping, let me just show you. To start dropshipping, all you need is to just get the first 4 pillars. And to start these first 4 pillars of a successful, you can get your product, website, get your product, get your payment gateway, and you get your clients. And you start immediately. Then offer web design and consulting service. Yes, if you know how to design a website, if you don't know how to design a website, go to day 3. I show you how to design a website using AI. You can start from there, then start improving yourself gradually. You can offer web design service or consulting service. You doing consulting service on any topic, then you start, you make money immediately as an e-commerce specialist. Then building a PSSP system for others, payment solution service provider system for others. I told you, just set up a PayStart gateway, set it up, find a company that needs payment gateway or that has been banned, that make a lot of money on the payment gateway, or that has been banned from payment gateway. You just give them the new gateway you set up, and when any sales come from their store through the payment gateway, you get a commission. I told you, join the LI team, then I will show you full details on that. Or you can buy my PSSP full course on abcacademy.com. But I will advise you to join the LI team so that you can have a one-on-one coaching with me. Then number 5 business you can start now is launch a digital product store, like selling ebook or selling online courses. Selling ebooks is easy. I told you can use AI tools, like the AI tools I showed you in the day 2. I use these AI tools to write books on different topics, on different niches, and you start selling it. Then you can do as I'm doing now, connect your Zoom, create a topic, connect your Zoom, present it on a PowerPoint slide like this, record it, and you start selling it as an online courses. You can start that now. Those are the 5 real business model you can start today as an e-commerce specialist. Now, next thing is tools you need. Tools needed to start this. Number 1 tools, I told you, store builders. You need store builder like WordPress, WooCommerce, PWP plus Astra, like the one I showed you yesterday. You can use all these store builder together, and like Apart from that, we are not using the WordPress because I'm a WordPress guy. That's why I'm recommending WordPress. Not everyone can use WordPress. You can try Shopify and all other store builder softwares out there. Even there are many, so just search and you see them. But WordPress and Shopify are the best when you are doing dropshipping based business. They are the best. You can do WordPress dropshipping and you can do Shopify dropshipping. One thing, the good thing about WordPress dropshipping is that you just buy the hosting and domain once in a year, and you can tweak it to anything you want. But in Shopify, you have to pay every month subscription, or you use Shopify partner, which I would not recommend when you are starting. Then second thing you need is gateway. I told you Paystar, Flutterwave, Stripe products, or PayU, all these payment gateways, PayU, Revolut gateway. That's what I want to remember. Revolut gateway, they are working perfectly. Then sourcing products. So that's another product sourcing. That's the next number 3 unit, product sourcing. So when you source for products like CJ dropshipping, AliExpress dropshipping, Pocket dropshipping, you can source for product there and you bring it to your website for sales. And one thing I love about dropshipping product is that no inventory, nothing like you are doing all what they do is to focus on design your website, store, integrate payments, and focus on the promotion. By the time you focus on promotion, sales come in, the dropshippers like AliExpress will see the details of who purchased, or you can make it automated so that immediately you purchase your store, it will go and purchase in AliExpress, and AliExpress vendor will ship it to anywhere the address of the buyer is. So that's why I say sourcing product is the next thing. And service platform, you can use Calendly, you can use Akutly, you can use Bookly, you can use Thinkify, you can use Togabi to create a service platform. And finally, marketing like Facebook ads, Google ads, SEO, email marketing. All these are things you need. Facebook marketing with little money, you can start. Google ads, you can start with little money. You can do on-site SEO or off-site SEO. I'm telling you, just become an elite and I'll show you food. You have access to me one-on-one when you become an elite in ABC Academy. Just abcacademy.com/elite team, and you have it. And action step. Let's talk finally on the action step you are going to take for this day 4 event. What are the steps? Number 1, choose your product model, product or service that you want to sell. Pick your e-commerce platform that you want to use. Set up payment gateway. Then plan your first product or offer. If you don't understand it, you can ask your question in the comment section or in the chat section. Then I will explain it more better. And because I'm stuck on all this. Then finally, you start driving traffic and testing your website. Those are the 4 action steps I want you to take for this today event. And finally, I told you we need access to one-on-one from me or from other experts that will expatiate this e-commerce. This e-commerce is, we are making money there already. Currently now, I'm making money as a PSSP provider. So if you want to learn more about PSSP provider, you can join the Elite and you have access to one-on-one, or you buy any of my courses. My courses, when you search for it, might be too costly. But joining the Elite and you have access to all these access to my one-on-one, then you can still enjoy one-on-one with me. And to become an Elite, I told you, general Elite WhatsApp group is there, abcacademy.com/Elite team WhatsApp. Then Elite team now, subscribe as an Elite team member at abcacademy.com/Elite team. Then it's just as at the time, it might be increased at any time, but as at the time of this event, currently Elite team membership is $2 per month or 3,000 naira per month, and you have access to all these I mentioned, and including my one-on-one training. All these, you have access to all these, including to one-on-one from me or from other experts in the Elite community. Then you can scale up your e-commerce. If you have any question, please drop your question now in the comment section, and I'll be answering, or in the chat, and I'll be answering your question as you drop in. I don't want the recording of this event to be too long, so I'm going to stop here. You meet us tomorrow, day 5, where you can get international clients and provide excellent customer service We are going to have customer service training and how you get source for international clients to your freelancing service or to all these e-commerce and all these marketplace of it. See you tomorrow on the day 5 of 7 days free bootcamp. Don't forget to join the LI team. LI team joining is compulsory, and I'm dropping one bonus in LI WhatsApp group. I mean LI WhatsApp group tonight. So join LI WhatsApp group so that you can have access to that bonus. Bye.